Gravitational Telescope. Global Seismic Antenna (GSA) allows detecting deformations of the Earth of a special type, characteristic of gravitational waves. GSA elements, the arbitrary, quiet, seismic stations, aperture of GSA must be of the order 10.000 kilometers. Pulsars are a natural source of periodic gravitational waves, GW waves. The deformations of the Earth were detected by GSA, their amplitude approximately 2.5 femtometers. It was found that these deformation, strain, of the order h is approximately 10 to the minus 21. The false alarm of detecting is almost zero, equivalent to a significance of 12.8 sigma. Pulsar J0945-4833 is the most suitable source of detected deformations of the Earth. Gravitational waves, GW waves, are the inevitable consequence of many theories of gravity. Astrophysical observations indicate their existence. Indirectly, gravitational waves have been identified in the motion of binary pulsars. Gravitational telescopes, gravitational antennas, are created for the direct detection of gravitational waves. There are two types of gravitational wave detectors. The low-frequency mechanical vibrations of a massive body caused by gravitational wave are measured in the first type. Detectors of this type use a massive metal bar, cooled to a low temperature. Weber bar is a famous example of such detector. From the currently valid detectors on this principle operate spherical antenna Mini-GRAIL, as well as antenna Allegro, Auriga, Explorer and Nautilus. Detector of another type uses laser interferometry to measure gravitational wave-induced motion between separated, free masses. This principle is applied in experiments LIGO, GEO 600, TAMA 300 and Virgo. There are also projects for the detection of gravitational waves using seismographs. It's proposed to use a global seismic antenna, GSA, as a gravitational telescope and its elements. The arbitrary, quiet, seismic stations, its aperture must be of the order 10,000 kilometers. Demonstration of the GSA possibilities was carried out by the results of registration of gravitational radiation at a frequency f is approximately 6 Hz. Scientists have successfully detected gravitational waves, tiny ripples in spacetime, with an incredible sensitivity level, h is approximately 10 to the power of minus 21. These waves caused extremely small movements on Earth, around 10 to the power of minus 15 meters, and the detected signals showed unique patterns, like elliptical polarization, perpendicular to their source. The signals, observed over 90 hours at around 6.023 Hz, strongly confirm the presence of gravitational waves. Their characteristics changed smoothly over time, indicating they likely come from a rotating cosmic object like a pulsar. One such pulsar, J0945-4833, spinning at about 3.01 Hz, is a strong candidate, emitting a small fraction of its energy as gravitational waves. This method can be used to find other pulsars spinning faster than 0.5 Hz. Future improvements, such as using more detection stations and longer observation times, could help find even fainter gravitational waves, opening new doors in our understanding of the universe. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.